Hello students of class 8. Welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. This video is for biology. The chapter what I will continue today is the health and hygiene, and this video is part 5. In the previous video I have discussed about some communicable diseases like influenza, measles, malaria, dengue, etc. Today I will start with chikungunya. Okay. So chikungunya is one more disease which is affected by the mosquitoes. Okay. So before that I have talked about this malaria and dengue, and both are diseases are infected by some of the mode of the transmission by the mosquitoes, and this chikungunya is also. So first of all, we will write something like name of the diseases, okay, then causative agent, all like before, okay. Next, mode of transmission. Next, some symptoms, and last, prevention method. Okay. So as I told you, today I will start with chikungunya. So the name of the disease is chikungunya. Okay. And the causative agent name is chikungunya, or it is actually an alpha virus, okay, an alpha virus. Next, the mode of transmission. As I already told you, the mode of transmission is same, some mosquito, and through the bite of the mosquito the disease are transmitted. So here also the mode of transmission is Aedes mosquito. Aedes mosquito bite. Okay. What are the symptoms of this disease? Firstly, the high fever, like it is also the high fever. It is a very common symptoms of those diseases. So the first symptom is high fever with severe muscle pain and joint pains. Severe muscle and joint pain. Okay. And next, the new symptoms which you can find, like the rashes which you find in all over the body. Okay. So skin rashes with headache, also nausea, and also some symptoms are confused with this disease like dengue. Like some of the symptoms are same like dengue. That is why first when the disease are happening, the doctors get confused within this dengue and chikungunya. After that they tested the person and then they find out the actual reason of the disease, and they pointed that the disease is not dengue or the chikungunya. Okay, so some of the symptoms are like the dengue also. Next, the joint pains is very often severe and can last for weeks to months altogether. Okay, so as I already written here that the joint pain is very common and it is actually last for weeks to months. Okay, and next, the preventive measures. The preventive measures are more or less same like the dengue, like the preventing of mosquitoes. The main point is preventing of mosquito. So you can prevent actually the mosquito by various ways, like you can use the mosquito net, you can use the mosquito repellent oils, and like this candles, like this mats, etc. And also for this like the liquid oils which we can get normally in our market, local market. Using mosquito net is while sleeping, using mosquito repellent cream and ointment and also be necessary. Taking anti-chikungunya drug, mainly medicines, is very much important for these diseases. Prevent mosquito breeding by spreading insecticides and oil in water coolers and stagnant water. Okay, next, do not let water stagnant in broken bottles, pots, coolers, tiles, etc. Same, wearing full sleeve shirts when there is a problem of the chikungunya in your location. Next, using mosquito repellent cream ointments as like the same, and taking liquid diet with fluid such as coconut water and like this Wares coconut water like. Next, taking medicines to relieve these symptoms. So these are the main parts of the chikungunya. Next, I am going to the AIDS. Okay, the full form of AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, and the causative agent is HIV virus. It is mainly transmitted by sexual transmission and also by the used needles, like exposure to infected blood through cuts and wounds, etc. Sexual contact, organ transplant, blood transfusion, mother to child during pregnancy and childbirth, the disease can be spread. Okay, so mainly the sexual transmission, it is a sexual transmitted disease, and also by cuts, wounds, etc. Like the symptoms are, these HIV virus actually directly affect the immune system of the humans, like breakdown of the immune system, severe weight loss, person feels fatigued and tired, same, persistent dry cough, oral rash and shortness of breath, headache, viral disturbances, gastric problems like irregular diarrhea, lungs disease like pneumonia, damage to brain leading to the memory loss. And next, during to breakdown of immune system, the person becomes susceptible to infection. It is actually directly infect the immune system. So the main symptom is breakdown of the immune system, and along with the many kind of the symptoms like these rashes, swallowing, many things. Okay, so breakdown of immune system. Next, rashes, pneumonia, and many more, etc. Many more are the symptoms of it. Actually, the AIDS do not have the specific medication. Okay, so the medicine, the proper medicine for the AIDS are not invented till date. So that is why the main preventive measure is screening the blood before the blood transfusion, avoiding sharing and refuse the bloods. Okay, and also the needles, do not use the used needles. Okay, and many of the surgical instruments should not be used, and avoiding pregnancy if mother is HIV positive. So if the mother is HIV positive, then there is a chance to transmit the disease from the mother to the baby. So it can be a very much dangerous thing. So that is why the only way to stop HIV from the country is not to get pregnant or the HIV positive women. And next, safe sex and educating people, like, so they have to educated enough to know about this disease and know more about this disease. Okay, so these are the main preventive measures of it. In the next class, I will talk about the vectors and many of the vector-borne diseases. Till then, thank you.